back to the video, guys. Your boy Holloway here. Today's video, we're actually going to be taking my V4 to the track. This will be my first time at the track with this bike specifically, because obviously I've never owned a V4 before, and I've never had the pleasure or the opportunity to take one out on the track. No, not like a MotoGP track or anything. It's just a drag strip. I call it the track because that's my track I have in Alabama here, other than in Barbers, about an hour away. But I'm going to attempt to like learn how to launch this bike and not really like be balls to the wall, but kind of see how I match up against RS V4 and a couple other 1000s out there. You know me, I like to talk shit, so I might have gotten myself into a little bit of trouble, but we're gonna see. We're gonna make it do what it do. So I'm about to go meet up with the boys at the gas station, and I'll pick back up when I get there. Well, I'll meet the boys here. We got the Popo chilling right there. Yeah, you know, they were joking on me at first, saying, "Oh, he's not gonna pull." Oh my God, saying that he's not gonna pull up because there ain't no influence over here, and this and that. But hey, I'll beat y'all here, and I was gonna show up. Okay. I'm gonna show up for my boys. But I guess we're just gonna wait for them to get here, and then I think they said kickstands up at 1 o'clock. It is currently 12:25, so 12:26. See you guys when we get there. Now this is kind of embarrassing because I was just joking on them, saying like I beat them here, but I am at the wrong fucking gas station. They're up the street, maybe like 5 minutes. So I'm gonna go up there and meet them. They're not gonna believe this shit, bro. You can't make this shit up. I went to the wrong fucking... I even looked at the address and I was like, alright, I know where that's at. Didn't even know they were talking about the Circle K. Thought they were talking about the other one. That's my bad. Alright, let's see who we got here. Hell, I don't even see nobody here. There they are. We got some steep competition today, though. I will say we got about like 3 or 4 CBR1Ks. Have an RS V4. It's that brand new 2025 motherfucker right here. Woo! There's somebody right there. Alright, everybody's pulling up, so whenever we get rolling, I'll cut back on. Yes sir, yes sir. We got everybody here. We got that gay boy. We got that gay boy. We got this gay boy. That gay boy up there. We got everybody here. Gonna go to the track, make a video. That boy's gay as fuck. He may or may not fucking slaughter me on the track. That fucking booster just gets up and goes. And I think it's pretty much stock other than tune. Everything else is stock. I'm scared. Yeah, it's gonna be a good time at the track. And we even got Brandon out here. He's not on his 636 right now, but we got a couple car guys coming out. Should be for a good track day. Okay, so I've done 2 passes so far. I'm about to run my boy Malcolm on his Gixxer 1K. I lost twice, and it's still elite because he's on freaking booster, man. You cannot beat them boosters. I don't care what the guy done to. I don't care if it's stock. Boosters are just fast, okay? People don't want to admit it, but boosters are fast. So I'll run my boy Malcolm here. Neither of us can launch, but I've had 2 decent launches with his bike. Not launch control, but what? Shut up! Slow as M4. But yeah, we're gonna see what it does. We got 2 more races to go, and we got me and my boy Malcolm here. The thing in front of me is on straight up race gas. I think I'm a little high. It smells so good though. Like once you get the smell of race gas, you're just like, Go, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. He said, run that shit back. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. I don't know why I couldn't do that on the S1K, man. I just don't understand. But one thing I don't like, you can't see your RPM, so I don't even know what I'm launching from. And I want to keep it in race mode so I can get out my power unlocked, but I don't know. Maybe I gotta get it flash or something. Who knows? Thank you. So one thing about the end of the track on the left lane, I'm gonna give him left lane next, because towards the end, it gets a little bumpy, and they still haven't fixed that part. You know, they fixed it to where like it's not like because before there was like a big ass dip in it, but now it's pretty smooth out, but it's still bumpy. So I'm gonna give him the left lane. I'm gonna switch it up. David's pulling up on the RC4 over there. We got Chris on the CPL1K. They really don't be ducking no smoke, because I want all of it. You see I'm back out here. The only place I don't want to smoke with is Malik. The boy is just too tight. Too tight. Too tight. Thank you. I definitely pulled the clutch back in because I think I got scared a little bit from the noise that it was making. I was like, oh shit, I didn't put that in like that. But good little pass though. I got a leak. He's over there on the 600. I cannot lie. I was trying to record the last 600 of this race. I got gapped. Only because he just knows how to launch that bike, man. He got out in front of me. This lane low-key scares me just because the bumps at the end. The wheel came up. He got me. He got me. He back out chill. I took a little break. Ran over 600. I think I recorded. Yeah, dude. Unfortunately. Yeah, just now on Studio 1000. Got all these shit boxes, they got some nice noise in them. They just be blowing all kinds of shit. You can sit in like leaves and wood chips and shit. you. David on the RSV4. Should be an easy gap. You know what I'm saying? 2 V4s going against each other. 2 pasta rockets. V4, V4. Got Malik back there. CBR1K. Let's hit the 4K, brother. I am getting a little concerned. I'm probably gonna, this is probably my last run, honestly. Just for a second so I can check this bike out, because something smells kind of burnt.
I'm changing bikes like I'm changing underwear.
Yeah, something smells kind of burnt, and that's a little concerning. I'm thinking it's that wire that I have not put gold tape on yet. It's just laying against the motor, but I don't know. That's it! Get in that wall! Get in that wall! Get in that wall! Damn! He came back! He came back! Very last second. He came back, boy. I had that shit, man. I was talking big shit. No, I'm not gonna edit that part out, David. Oh my god, he beat me. I can't even remember. I have very short-term memory loss. I got some bad news for you guys. And for myself, damn it. What? So, as you guys heard, I was in the staging lane. I said I smelled something burning. And it was like plastic this time, but it wasn't like the normal burning smell that I've been smelling, because this little wire right here is sitting on the motor and it just burns itself basically. I just gotta heat wrap it up. But can you move? I'm trying to do my outro. Move, you monkey. So I came back over here after the last race. I was like, man, I really gotta take my helmet off and look. So I came over here and I bent down. It smells like plastic. So I don't know if you guys can be able to see that or not. I'm gonna throw a picture up on the screen, but there's something just up in here behind, up in the motor. It's plastic and it just dripped all down my pipes right there. So like, I was like, alright, I'm not gonna run anymore. I'm just gonna go here and park it and figure out what it is. And I'd rather ride this. I'd much rather ride this home and let it catch on fire than it catch on fire and crash. That's what it's up. But hopefully it doesn't catch on fire. But yeah, so now I gotta go home, take these plastics off, see what it is, or try to see what it is. It's really bothering me. I really don't want to ride it with that plastic on there, because the plastic gets hot enough. Everything other than this is temperature, so if that gets hot enough, it will self-ignite. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed that type of video, let me know down below. Comment something nice, comment something funny. I'm gonna go me to make these type of videos again. Obviously, doing a video like this on this bike at this lovely Montgomery International Speedway. Yeah, if you guys like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment down below. Don't forget, where you ride, so keep chasing greatness, and I'll catch you guys next one.